Okay, so I arrived here to this beautiful cenote 2 weeks ago with the IU service learning class here in Yucatan, and immediately I noticed that this is a very special place, and it's the natural beauty really that captivates you at first, but then you learn about the story behind this place, which is to me one of the most interesting parts. Which is that this is a cooperative effort that has been working here to make this place what it is, and there's people working non-stop. They've been doing it since the project began. What is it, 10 years ago? Since 2005. So this is a place that embodies all of that. Hard work. At first it was free work, volunteer work, and now paid work that gives to the community, is part of the community, and so that to me is a very special thing. Yeah.
And the other important thing here is that you're surrounded by a lot of private places where you go. And if you pay money, the money would go to a couple of people that are connected to this place. And if you come here, the money stays with the community. That's the best place to come. That's the best reason to come here, and just love this place. So,
indeed.
Yeah, come.
Come to Yoxonot Cenote.